Trump again calls for Fed Chair Jerome Powell to lower interest rates, saying his termination can't come soon enough as Bitcoin's rally stalls. It's Thursday, April 17th, 2025. I'm Christine Lee. This is CoinDesk Daily. U.S. President Donald Trump calling on Fed Chair Jerome Powell to cut interest rates on Truth Social and complaining his termination cannot come fast enough Thursday. Yesterday, Fed Chair Jerome Powell raised stark concerns over the effects of President Trump's tariffs policy, saying they will likely cause higher inflation and slower growth. In other words, stagflation. Lecker Capital CIO Quinn Thompson telling CoinDesk Powell's tone was very hawkish and that a May rate cut appears off the table, short of some drastic change in the market or economic situation. Bitcoin is clinging to $84,000 and the crypto markets are slightly rebounding after dipping on Powell's damp outlook. The allure of gold is increasingly becoming more compelling than ever amid Trump's trade war uncertainty as gold fund flows hit $80 billion so far this year, while SOSO value data shows spot Bitcoin ETFs saw over $3.5 billion in net outflows in February and significant net outflows in March and April. Meanwhile, Panama City has approved cryptocurrency payments for taxes, parking tickets, permits, and other municipal services, allowing residents to use Bitcoin, Ether, USDC, and Tether. The city partnered with a bank to convert crypto payments to US dollars instantly, complying with Panama's legal requirement for public institutions to transact in dollars. Mayor Mizrachi saying on X that there will be no need for new legislation to affect this transformation, which ultimately allows for the free flow of crypto in the entire economy and entire government. Finally, Project 11, a quantum computing research firm, has launched the Q-Day Prize, offering 1 Bitcoin to the first team to break Bitcoin's elliptic curve cryptography key using a quantum computer in 1 year. The competition aims to assess the quantum threat to Bitcoin security, with over 10 million addresses potentially at risk, as quantum computers could theoretically use Shor's algorithm to compromise the network's encryption. Proposed solutions like the quantum-resistant address migration protocol and coarse-grained boson sampling require a hard fork, which faces challenges in gaining consensus within the Bitcoin community. For the latest CoinDesk headlines, download the CoinDesk mobile app, available on iOS and Android.